Hello everyone, how are you all? Today is Saturday and today is your activity time. So do you know what activity we will do now? I am showing you parts of flower. So what I am showing you? Parts of flower. What is parts of flower? So this is a flower, you can see, and this brightly colored part is called corolla, or what we can say, this brightly colored part is corolla, and this green part is called calyx. What is this green part? I am showing you this green part. Green part is called calyx, and this brightly colored part is called corolla, or we can say petals. What we can say? This brightly colored part we can say petals, and this green part is called sepals. What is this? Sepals. I am showing you. Now you can see that this is a part of flower. What is this? Here some grains are present. Some grains are present here, and these grains are called pollen grains. Here some powdery substance, and this part is called grains, and this is pollen grain also. And when we remove these petals, what we can say inside the flower? Here, what is this? Ovary. It is a ovary, and stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, style and ovary. And these are pollen grain attached by stamen. These are pollen grains, and pollen grain present in the anther. So you can take flower China rose. Which flower? China rose, or you can say gudhal. So what you will do? You can see every part of flower in China rose, because ovary is also present, stigma present, style present, everything present in this flower. So you can say these are pollen grain, and pollen grain present inside the anther, and these are stamens. And in front of stamen, what is present? We can say this is filament. This thread like structure is filament. So have you understood this? What is this? This is ovary. So I am showing you female reproductive part of flower. So female reproductive part of flower is called pistil. And pistil has stigma, style and ovary. So this is a part. So upside is stigma, This is style and this is ovary. And inside ovary, when we cut this, what we can say? Ovule inside the ovary. So here present ovules. What is this? These are ovules. So where ovules present? Inside the ovary, inside this part. And I am showing you male reproductive part of the flower. So I am rubbing this. Male reproductive part. So what we can say male reproductive part of flower? Stamen. What is stamen? And stamen has two parts, that is filament and anther. This is filament and this is anther, and inside the anther what is present? Pollen. Pollen present, and pollen have pollen grains, and this is filament. So it is the male reproductive part of the flower. So you will take today, what you will do? You will take China rose and you will see every part. So colorful part, brightly colored part of the flower is called corolla. What? Corolla or petals. And this is green part of the flower, and we can say this is a sepals, and from here it is attached to the plant and it is a pedicel. These are leaves, and this part that is down the flower, it is called the sepals or calyx. So you have understand this or not? You will do this work in your rough notebook. You will take some flowers and you will write, and you will see which parts are present in the flower. Thank you very much.